Hello there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Today I'm super excited to share with you a little gem for your garden, the Endless Illumination Browallia. This stunning purple beauty is perfect for hanging baskets. And guess what? It attracts hummingbirds. Let's talk about why Browallia is a must-have. With its bright purple flowers and lighter centers, it's like a magnet for those tiny, dazzling birds. Plus, it's shade-tolerant, so it thrives in part-shade areas where other flowers might struggle. One of the best things about Browallia is that it's low maintenance. No need for deadheading, just occasional watering and fertilization, and you're good to go. It's relatively drought-tolerant, but if you're using hanging baskets, don't forget to water them regularly. Browallia is also heat-tolerant and grows over a foot tall and wide, making it a great filler plant in your container gardens. Speaking of containers, ever heard of the filler, spiller, thriller formula? Browallia fits perfectly as a filler, adding that lush, full look to your arrangements. Native to South America, this beauty is grown as an annual in North America, but can be a perennial in warmer zones 9 through 11. The Endless Illumination hybrid is available only as live plants, not seeds. Swap out those impatiens susceptible to downy mildew and replace them with this hardy, gorgeous flower. Trust me, your garden and the hummingbirds will thank you. So get your hands on some Endless Illumination Browallia and watch your garden come alive with color and life. Happy gardening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more garden tips. See you next time.